Hey foodies, today I'll be showing you this quick chocolate burfi at home as Diwali is approaching, and this will get ready with minimum time and ingredients, and it comes out with the goodness of chocolate and dry nuts in it. So let's get started. Here I've got these handful of pistachios, cashews and almonds roughly chopped, which I've already slightly toasted in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 6 to 7 minutes. This enhances the nutty flavor of it and also adds some crunchiness. But if you want, you can simply toast these just for a while on low to medium flame on a non-stick pan. Keep this aside. Next, here I've got 3 tablespoons of warm milk, to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. This will help in giving that chocolatey flavor to the burfi. Mix it really well. It should be free from any kind of lumps in it. So this chocolate concentrate is ready. Set it aside. Next up, in a pan over low to medium flame, we'll add in a tablespoon of butter, followed by half a cup of sweetened condensed milk, which is around 150 grams. Mix it well and let it cook over medium flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. And when the condensed milk starts to loosen up a bit, we'll add in the prepared cocoa mixture to it. And again mix well. This is the key ingredient which will help in giving that intense flavor to the chocolate burfi. So make sure you use a good quality cocoa powder here, which should be unsweetened. Keep stirring it continuously so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom of the pan. And once the mixture starts to boil, keep the flame on the lowest and we'll add in the biscuits powder to it. So this is coarsely crushed biscuits, for which I have simply taken 200 grams of Parle G biscuits and I have crushed it in a blender. You can use any biscuits of your choice. Mix that as well along with the chocolate base. Keep cooking just for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts to become slightly lumpy. So today I have used these Parle biscuits because they are nice and sweet enough and its taste is liked by almost everyone. But if you want, you can also use some bourbon biscuits or even Oreo biscuits for more chocolatey flavor. So now you can see the mixture has thickened enough, it has left the sides of the pan and it has almost come to such consistency which you can set. So now we'll add in the roasted nuts to it and mix that as well. And let it cook just for about 1 to 2 more minutes. It looks good now. Do not overcook the mixture, else your mixture will become very dry. So I'm going to switch off the flame at this point of time. I feel it has come to good setting consistency. So here I've got this small container. You can use any tiffin box which you have, which I've already greased with some butter. And now I'm going to transfer the chocolate mixture into this. You can even use any baking tin or thali for this if you want to. So I'm going to even it out a bit on all the sides with the help of spatula to give that smooth and even finish. So just adjust it according to the pieces you want, thick or thin. So today I'm going to bring it up to the 3/4 of this container and just flatten the tops nicely for smooth finish. You can see this is how it looks. And now for the top layer, here I've got 100 grams of milk chocolate, which I'm going to melt into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Stir it and again microwave for about another 10 to 15 seconds until it comes to smooth and glossy consistency. So you can see this is how it looks. It's free from any kind of lumps. It's nicely melted, smooth and glossy. So we'll pour this melted chocolate over the prepared burfi mixture to make a thick layer out of it. Even it out a bit and tap it a bit on the kitchen platform to smoothen the chocolate layer. So you can use any chocolate over here of your choice. You can also use some white chocolate or even dark chocolate will look good with this. So this looks smooth now. If you want, you can garnish with few more nuts on top or even with some choco chips or any sprinkles for your children. But today I'm not going to use anything. This is ready to go into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours or until set enough. We'll remove the box from the fridge and show you. You can see this, the chocolate burfi is nicely set. We'll loosen up the sides of the mold for easy demolding this way from all the sides. And now I'm going to invert this upside down onto a plate Wow, you can see how easily it has come out. And now we'll show you the top. So this is how it looks. It has got thick burfi with all the nuts in it with the chocolate glaze on top. And now you can cut it into desired pieces you like. But today I'm going to cut it into big square sized pieces. I'll show you one piece. You can see it looks so chocolatey with all the colorful nuts in it. Can't believe it's ready with just least ingredients, time and efforts. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this easy peasy recipe, and if yes, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. See you soon. Bye bye.